How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And it's been busy with work, literally, but yeah, I'm good as well.
Okay, so can you introduce yourself?
Okay, well, thank you giving me this opportunity first because I'm nothing in this world. So, okay, I would like to share with you a quick glimpse about myself. Basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata, and by
Mhm.
profession, I am a driver. And about me, in terms of my education, so I have just completed 10th class standard. And simultaneously I have run a YouTube channel which is based on spoken English. Yeah, it's all about me.
Okay, that is really good to hear. So, what kind of cars do you drive?
Yeah, I have started my journey with the light vehicles, but now I prefer to drive each and every type of vehicles.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is really good. So, how do you learn English like while driving?
Okay, so yeah, in several time I have got these questions, maybe many YouTuber. So yeah, it's my, I was actually, I'm pessimistic that I can do better in my life if I have good communicator or communication skills. So that's the reason I would like to be myself as a good speaker, because sometimes I need to talk with the foreign passengers as well. So yeah, somebody also forced me to learn this language. So that was the defining moment. I have got some inspiration from the people, foreign passengers. So yeah, so that's the reason
This
I'm
is
here
really
today.
good to hear.
Sorry,
Yeah, this is
pardon.
really good to. This is really good to hear about you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so
Thank you.
how you started your journey? Tell me something about yourself, like how you started your channel and when you started and how it's going on.
Yeah, ma'am. I really, to be honest, I never thought that I have start my YouTube channel. But when I was learning this language, so that time I suddenly saw a video on YouTube. So many YouTuber, they are making actually this content, and nowadays conversation video is inundation opportunity. You can watch some videos. So that's the reason I was thinking that if I will create my own channel, so definitely I will get opportunity galore to uh, explore myself in front of any other YouTuber or tutor like that. But I have started my channel only 8 months before, and I was nothing in this field, but I have been practicing since 8 months. So I have learned so many things in these 8 months, like you, because you people help me a lot, and I'm in daily basis I'm getting lot many people, which by I can able to correct myself. Yeah.
This is so good. So, what is the best part of learning English?
uh, Best part of can you elaborate this question, please?
What do you think the best thing that you find after learning English, or or an advantage after learning English?
Okay, so yeah, so well, from the looks of it, that when I was not able to introduce myself in this language, so if we have, if you know the more languages than one, so definitely people are going to respect you more. And after learning this language, I have got a fame or a resolution that people are in my local people, they get to know me that I am the person who don't have any education qualification, but recently I am speaking in English because English environment is surrounding me, and I can able to meet all walks of life people, and I have lots of friends, because if I will send any SMS, and if I will give them the I'm Jaffer driver talk, so definitely they are going to interact with me. So I'm lucky enough that I'm feeling jovial, but heaven knows how it's out turn out to be. I think that in future.
Very good, wonderful. And I'm so happy to know, like nowadays people are so curious, and you not even after having the educational qualification
Mhm.
that is like the basic one, then also you have the courage and you get the confidence to speak in English. This is really very
Yes.
good and appreciable. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so apart from like conversing with people, do you practice any other thing also to learn or improve your English?
I have never been asked these questions before, so well, I'm very happy that you have asked this question. Uh, I would like to mention one thing, that I never try to read anything and entire my journey, because I have always mm, exhausted by the people, and I'm very much busy with my profession, so I'm not practicing in daily basis. Weekly one or two session I am conducting with the YouTuber, so that's the tactic I am practicing sometime. And if I will get any leisure time before go to the bed, so I'm watching. I used to watch some kinds of videos, so which is related to English content, and I love to watch some kinds of videos. So that's how I am practicing. Yeah,
Okay, so by watching the videos and conversing the people, you feel you have improved your English.
yeah, indeed, I am.
This is very good to hear about yourself. Okay, apart from this, do you have any advice to give to the people who wants to learn English?
Yeah, yes, of course, because I have seen a lot many people in our country and foreign countries as well. Because this is the skill, and if you want to learn this language, so definitely you have to work more and more. It is doesn't matter that you are not getting any encouragement from your family members. Many people, they are blaming that I don't have any environment, I don't have any friend. So I would like to practice, but whom we can practice. So it doesn't matter that where you are brawn. It's your sagacity, create your sagacity, because if you'll not get any encouragement from your family members, so it create from your own gut. So that's how you can improve, because you cannot blame nowadays, because now you are watching our video, so that's the opportunity. That's how you can improve yourself. So if you will watch some kinds of videos, so definitely you can able to talk with the people, how they want to talk with the very coherent way. So it's doesn't matter that you are educated or not educated. So if you will try your best, maybe you will get very soon get a good fluence with this language. So, yeah.
Yeah. Um, Thanks for the advice. I just missed to introduce myself. I'm
Okay.
also English trainer, and I have been like teaching online from so many years. And I only teach online, and I love to see when the people change after learning English. Moreover, I'm so happy to see that you also have this desire to learn and improve your English. So, should I give you some advice like how you can be better in the work you are already doing in?
Yes. Yeah, of course, why not? You may proceed.
Yeah, see, as you said, like you just talk to people and you watch the videos. Also, I suggest you how you can improve yourself by thinking in English. So what happens like the language we think is the language we speak. I always say. So if you will be thinking in your mother language in Hindi, you will always be speaking Hindi at the best. So
Yeah.
your daily routine, whatever you do daily from morning till night, just think in English.
Okay.
And do not think अब इसके बाद में ये करूंगा वो करूंगा.
Mm,
Think like that. After that, I will go to take shower. Then I will get ready. Think in your mind, like as if you're saying people in our country really they have under this. We do not have English environment. So
mm.
you can create the environment for yourself. How? By thinking in English. So if you will think in English, you will surely be speaking in that language. And in this way, you can even maintain your level throughout
Okay.
because it happens like you are speaking now you're practicing you are speaking but once you need to practice sometimes it happens our fluency hampers
Uh,
but by thinking in English all the time throughout your life you can maintain that level and surely you would be a good speaker and a confident person. So these
yeah.
things you can implement in your life or in your schedule to help you improve you more.
Yes, ma'am. If I may add one point with your argument, so you have already explained in nice explain how they build their communication skills and how they improve their English skills. So here the main point is that I have already did it in my life, and I have still I am suffering from the perplexing. So that's how people are very lethargic and they don't want to do the hard work with these communication skills. So yeah, I suggest all the people that many learner they afraid to learn this language because they always thinking that it is very difficult to learn this language. So instead of saying it is very difficult, so you can point 0.1% improvement. It's a great improvement. I really believe that it personally, because celebrate your achievements. No, doesn't matter that how small and how is big. So no need to judge yourself based on yourself other person, because you are a mentor. So definitely you will be a well speaker and good speaker. So it doesn't matter, because every fluent speaker once was a beginner, no? Because in the very beginning it will be very hard, and once you did it, that then you can realize that relax, no? So that's how we can improve ourselves. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, this is very good advice that one should have positive mindset and we should celebrate our achievements. This is, I
Yeah.
believe, you have a positive mindset towards your life as well. It shows your thoughts.
Okay.
I really appreciate it. Okay, do you have anything you can ask me up if you have any question your side or if you want to ask?
Okay, so we will be here for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So we have already spent it. So I have just little one question. So you are a tutor. Yeah, I have seen some of your
Yes.
videos. So your advice is so remarkable. And if anyone follow these rules, so definitely they will enhance their communication skills. So my first question is, as why did you decide so late to being a YouTuber or to be a YouTuber? Because you have
Yeah.
already watched so many times. So why did you decide it so late? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I tell you, it is even I didn't decide that I should make a YouTube channel, but now
Yeah.
it has become the demand of the job. Because if you are not in social media, you do not exist in this world. This is so true.
Yeah.
And one of my students from US, he once asked me one grammar rule. So I was
Yeah.
explaining him, and he was so smart. He said, "Ma'am, why don't you make a video and share with me that I don't waste my time over it?" So
Okay.
I said like how smart people are over there. So
So
then from that moment I thought yes, I should make a YouTube channel, and like he only suggested me. He was in grade 11, that student. He said he needs some rule of a particular task. He said you make a video of it and put it on your channel and I will watch from there.
okay.
So I won't waste my time in the class. And I really appreciate that student. And because of him, I get this thought of making YouTube channel. And even I made it last year. And after that, there was some issue in my channel. So I deleted that. And then from last December, I again started. And now let's see how it goes up. But I won't be giving up this time. And I will be continuing it forever, because I believe adding videos to the channel, it really helps people to improve, and one gets to explore more ways to market oneself.
Yes, ma'am, you are right, absolutely right. Because many students they cannot afford to purchase any subscription plan from the any
Hmm.
platform. So that's the reason. If you will make consistency with your channel, so definitely people are get more privilege from your videos. No.
Yes. And I
Yeah.
have seen like people love to watch and they improve so much, like when they watch the videos also.
Yeah.
Because I just say by watching even my videos and practicing the way I'm teaching, one can improve a lot.
Yeah.
So I practice these kind of things.
Okay.
And I
So
feel very happy when students they improve through my teaching, and it really gives me a lot of happiness.
yeah. So no, it's completely honor. Thank you for having me today. And do you have any questions? Eventually.
Yes, and it was really nice connecting with you, and hope to see you soon again. And
Okay.
all the best for your journey.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Actually, this is the first meeting, so I was really flabbergasted, and definitely will interact again, and new topic, and it will
Yeah,
be a nice video. Yeah, definitely.
yeah,
And thank you.
sure. Okay,
Have a nice day.
bye.
Bye.